Gelyan, how are you? Because today you cannot come to the class, so we will have asynchronous learning. Okay, so I will tell you about our today's material. Today's material is about, yeah, related to the previous material. It's still about the weather, but today we are going to learn how to ask and answer about the weather. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's just dive in into the material for today. Okay, good. Now, here we are, uh, as you can see here, there are two questions here, right? So the first question is to uh, asking the weather today, how to ask today's weather by using the how is the weather today? Okay, can you repeat after me? How is the weather today? And to answer, you can answer with it is, it is hot and sunny. Okay, what do you think, Gelyan? Is it hot today? I think so. I think it's very, very hot today. Okay. So when you are asking about today's weather, you have to use is. Okay. Remember to use is. How is the weather today? And the answer is it's hot and sunny. Good. Okay. Now, next is to ask yesterday's weather. So, what day is it? It is Friday. Yes. What day was yesterday? Wednesday or Thursday? Yes, it's Thursday. So, when you are asking about yesterday's weather, you use was here. How was the weather yesterday? Okay, so uh, how is to ask today's weather, and how was to ask yesterday's weather. And you will answer using was too. It was windy. Leaves were everywhere. Okay, it was windy. Okay, or what about yesterday's weather that we know? How was the weather yesterday? Was it uh, cold or was it hot and sunny? Yes, I think it is still hot and sunny. I think it is more like scorching hot than hot and sunny. Yeah, very, very hot. Okay, good. Now leaves were everywhere. It describes the situation. Okay. If you're asking me how was the weather yesterday, I will say it was hot and sunny. Okay. Everyone was people were drinking iced tea. What about you? Did you see a lot of people drinking, what is it, jumbo tea? uh, jumbo iced tea. I saw probably about 10 to 7 to 10 people in one stand of jumbo iced tea. It was really hot. Do you agree? Okay, good. Now today, next we will uh see here. Yes. Okay. I have a calendar here. Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. We will learn how to uh, mention how to say today's weather first. Okay, today is Friday. Okay, not in our reality, but according to this calendar. Here it is Friday. So, uh, what is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? It is hot and sunny. Good job. Okay, what about today is a Monday? This one, what do you see? Is that snow or sun? It is snowing here. So, is it hot or is it cold? It is cold and snowy. Yeah, but we've never been in a cold and snowy. We have never been. We never have the cold and snowy weather. It's always like hot or raining or something like that or windy, right? Okay, next. Today is Tuesday. What is the weather like today? Well, Tuesday, it is raining. Good job. Is it cold? Do you think it's cold? Yes, it is cold and raining. Okay, good. Now, number 4 here. Today is Wednesday. Over here. Do you see any wind or any storm or any sun? No, right? So it is cloudy. It is cloudy. Okay? Remember, it is cloudy. Okay? Today is Thursday. What do you see here? There are leaves, right? Yes. So if there are leaves, is it hot and sunny or windy? Yes, good. It is hot and sunny. Good job. Okay. Now here, we have to complete the dialogue together. Okay, using the word that might be true. Okay, yesterday was great. Yes, there you use was because we're talking about previous activity. Yesterday was great. We plays or played. It is played. Yes, good. Yesterday was great. We played at the beach all day. And then, what about the question? What is the weather like or what was the weather like? Good. What was the weather like? Good. And then the answer, it is warm. It's warm. It was warm because it happened yesterday. Good. Okay. And then he's asking about today. So, what was the weather like today? Or what is the weather like today? Yes. What is the weather like today? Okay. And then the answer would be it was rainy and cool, or it is rainy and cool. It is rainy and cool. We can go to the beach today because they're talking about now. Okay, good. Okay, now do you have any question? If no, then today's material is about asking and answering about weather. Do you remember how to ask about today's weather? What is or what was? What is the weather like today? And the answer, it is or it was. It is and sunny. Good job. And then next, what about asking yesterday's weather? What is the weather like yesterday, or what was the weather like yesterday? What was the weather like yesterday? Good. And what do you think? What was the weather like yesterday? Is it windy and cold and amazing, or very hot and sunny? I think it is very hot and sunny. Okay, good job, Gelyan. That's all for today. And I will see you next week on Monday at 2. Okay? Thank you. See you next time.